Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best photo light boxes. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the StudioPRO Square 24x24 Photo Studio. For many manufacturers, a picture mild field kit is simply the tint and wearing case, but this one is greater than that. The StudioPRO is an entire set that includes a mild set, camera stand, and distinct shade backgrounds. Durable, mild in weight and consumer pleasant, this is one of the image mild boxes that works precisely the way it describes. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Gordon Bond BrightBox. If you gauge performance with size, then this photo light box will change your belief. Gordon & Bond BrightBox is reasonable, transportable and maximum interestingly water resistant, so you can deliver it everywhere for outside shoots. This photo light box is easier to put in and plenty easier to dismantle, to not like many different brands that offer confusing instructions. This is a simple machine. However, the simplest backdrop noticed is its capacity. That doesn't shoot larger gadgets. So if you shoot small, compact objects, this can be your desire. At number 3, we have the LimoStudio 24 Folding Photo Box. On an average scale, we hold LimoStudio Photo Studio package for its steady overall performance, reviews and reasonable charge. Limo Photo Lightbox is an entire package with all bare requirements that a beginner might look out for. Although the brand does not use any superior technology, material and white heritage paper are of very best fine and the tent appears to be surprisingly long lasting. At number 2, we have the Cowboy Studio 30-inch Photo Softbox Light. Cowboy Studio Picture Light Box is designed preserving in thoughts the wishes of professional photographers. Unlike many different transportable picture mild bins, it's miles big, consequently it produces excellent pics. The colorful backdrops deliver bright smooth white light inside the tent and exquisite brilliant pics. Reviews monitor that notwithstanding the goods grants what it guarantees. The coaching manual has a tendency to be confusing. It is simple to fold, and if the cloth gets wrinkles, you can effortlessly iron it lightly. So in case you are shopping for this one, make certain to search for some online tutorials. And finally, at number 1, we have the Emmitt Upgraded 40 LED Foldable Portable Photo Lighting Box. In the first area, you would possibly assume this isn't what you'll want to shop for, or perhaps it received serve the cause, but trust you me, that is worth the price. Unlike many other brands that neglects to keep education publications, this one is easy to set up through the manual. This picture light box can without difficulty be folded with magnetic clasps, so moving and carrying turns into trouble unfastened. The most tremendous appeal of this image light box is its tripod stand to maintain the Digicam. You don't need a DSLR to take top photographs, however this box and your cellular phone could suffice. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this photo light boxes, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.